isn't it true that you read the ancients to find out about God, just like Isaac Newton did? And isn't it a little bit hypocritical to put him down for doing that when you do exactly the same thing?
Oh, you missed the whole comparison. I'm not Newton. Nobody calls me the greatest scientist.
That's true.
And that is what I'm picking up. The man doesn't deserve to be called a scientist. He had almost everything wrong. What sort of scientist is that? He was an ignorant fool. That's what he was. Newton was an ignorant fool. Space is empty. Milky Way is the whole universe. Stars are fixed. Mass is conserved. How many times can a scientist be wrong and still be called a scientist? Major issues, not trivial things.
Anyway, back to the question, Helmut.
I don't care about
The writings of the ancients to search for God just like Isaac did?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, there you go. So you
a lot more effective than he did.
You mocked him, you jeered, and yet you do the same thing. That's what hypocrisy is.
In other words, we have something in common, which you don't have. You have no idea about ancient philosophies.
That's why I listen to you to try and find out, and you always treat me so
I know. Besides being a masochist, you're trying to learn something.
I'm just so hurt, Helmut, that you treat me
At
so
least
badly.
there's some hope. Now we have admitted it, there's some hope for you. You're not altogether a victim of your own self-aggrandizement, pathological self-aggrandizement.
That won't stop you from being rude to me, will it?
Of course I am. Who is rude? You're interrupting. You're ill-mannered loud.
I only asked you a question. It was really gentle.
You're ill-mannered loud.
I only asked you a question.
Do you see anyone else interrupting? No. You are alone. You are the one who has bad manners. You get it?
Well,
you're so-called pretentious
This is
teacher.
public speaking in a public park.
What a waste of public money.
And asking questions is totally the thing to do.
Oh, yes. Like when I asked you, what is the chemical element number 70? And you didn't know it. Oh!
You're the speaker.
You are the teacher. You have to know basics. If you don't know the basics, you have no credibility.
You gain and lose credibility by answering questions from the people.
Blah, 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 blah. What people? There isn't anyone asking anything.
Well,
you are the only one interrupting.